Ever wondered why your phone assistant can't explain a concept like a teacher would? Or why a robot might say a polar bear's fur is white because it's hiding in the snow, but never mention that the fur is actually hollow and the skin is black? This is the crux of a major challenge in AI. It's great at regurgitating facts, but not always at explaining them in ways that resonate. But researchers are tackling this head-on. Imagine an AI that doesn't just spit out answers, but tailors explanations to your age, background, and curiosity. That's the goal of a groundbreaking study using a dataset called ELI-WHY, a collection of 50 why questions designed to test how well AI can explain things to children. So how did they build this dataset? They started with questions like, why do leaves change color? Or why are flags rectangular? Things kids might actually ask. But it wasn't just random. They used AI to generate thousands of questions. Then human experts filtered out the weird, biased, or overly niche ones. For example, why do octopuses have 8 arms? Might be too obvious, but why do polar bears have white fur? Perfect, simple, curious, and packed with hidden science. Here's the twist. This isn't just about making AI smarter. It's about understanding how humans learn. When kids ask why, they're not just seeking facts, they're building a web of connections. Why is the sky blue? Because light scatters. But why does light scatter? Because of tiny particles in the air. And why does that matter? Because it shapes how we see the world. The study tested AI models like GPT-4 by asking them to explain these questions at different levels. Would a 5-year-old get it? Would a high schooler find it insightful? The results? AI often missed the mark. It'd either oversimplify, like saying the sky is blue because light bends, or overcomplicate with jargon that left learners confused. But here's the breakthrough. When researchers compared AI answers to human explanations, like teachers, scientists, or even Reddit users, they found something surprising. Human explanations adapted. A teacher might say, the sky is blue because sunlight hits the atmosphere, while a scientist would dive into Rayleigh scattering. The AI. It struggled to switch gears. So what does this mean for you? It means AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic wand. It needs better guidance to understand you, your curiosity, your background, your aha moments. Datasets like ELI-WHY aren't just about training machines. They're about rethinking how we teach, how we learn, and how we ask questions. But here's the good news. AI is improving. Researchers tested new tricks, like chain-of-thought prompts, where AI breaks answers into steps like solving a puzzle. Or grammar prompting, which guides AI to use simpler words and shorter sentences. It's like giving the AI a roadmap to avoid getting lost in jargon. And the results? Explanations became clearer, especially when tailored to the audience. But here's the catch. Kids still need stories, metaphors, and experiments. A smart speaker shouldn't just say, the sky is blue because of light scattering. It should add, think of it like a prism splitting sunlight into colors, just like when you play with a rainbow in a puddle. This research isn't just about AI, it's about us. It's about bridging the gap between complex ideas and everyday understanding. Imagine a world where AI adapts to you. A high schooler gets a relatable analogy, a scientist gets the deeper science, and a kid gets a fun experiment. So next time you ask an AI a question, ask yourself, does this help me connect the dots or just repeat the facts? The future of education isn't just about smarter algorithms. It's about creating tools that teach as well as they know. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how AI is becoming a better teacher, hit subscribe. And drop a comment. What's one question you've always wanted an AI to explain just for you? Maybe we'll tackle it next.